Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 Plus and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we tap on this we can open the advanced camera settings. Now let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and here we have the save location information option, so it allows us to save the place where we take a picture in the details about it. By using this button we can turn it off and turn it on easily like that as we need. And also here the important information is that to make it work correctly, when we want to save the actual location of our picture, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turn it on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera and take a picture. From here let's go to the left corner at the bottom to this button. By tapping on this we get quick access to the gallery, so this is our picture. To check its location let's tap on the screen like that to get access to more options about the gallery. And now let's move to the right corner at the bottom to this button, and here let's pick the details. And now let's slide a little bit down. As you can see at the last position we have the location information with the full address and the map, so greetings from Kraków, Poland. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.